Welcome. If you've ever blocked someone in a group chat by mistake, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through a quick updated method to unblock a member in a group messenger so you can get back to chatting smoothly with your crew. First, open the messenger app and head straight to the group where you want to make the change. From the main chat list, tap and hold the group you're targeting until a small menu appears. This shortcut makes it easy to access group settings without unnecessary taps. Next, tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. This opens the group's information page where all the essential options live. Scrolling down, you'll find the Block a Member option. It might be labeled a bit differently depending on your app version, but the idea is the same. You're managing blocked members within the group. Tap on Block a Member to see the list of people currently blocked in that group. Here you'll find the names of individuals you've silenced or removed from view. Locate the person you want to unblock and tap on their name. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock this member. Confirm the unblock action. Once you tap unblock, the person will be reintroduced into the group's conversation stream. They'll be able to post messages again, and you'll also start seeing their messages in the group feed. If there are any lingering settings or notification preferences tied to that member, you can adjust them afterward to suit your liking.